Good day, guys. Welcome to King FX Trading Mastery. If this is your first time you're tuning into our channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and ensure you click the bell icon so that you can receive notification on all the videos we post right from this moment. Okay, and in exchange for this value, make sure you click the subscribe button and share this with your family and friends. Click the like button, drop your comment. All right, so let's get started in today's analysis. So the preview of last week analysis, according to our record, a lot of those pairs played out accordingly. All right, if you have been following our analysis for a while right now, you will know that this strategy is a strategy uh, that is very good, that can give you 80% win rates and above if you follow it judiciously. All right, so this is the king strategy. For those of you who are watching for the first time and you don't know about this strategy, there is a link down below that you can click to learn a lot about this strategy and how to take trade with this strategy. And this analysis is prepared to help a lot of you guys make decisions and to be able to focus on the right trade to trade during the week. All right, so guys, let's get started in this week analysis. So this analysis is for March 15th to March 19th 2021. All right, March 15th to March 19th 2021. So let's get started one after the other. The first pair I'll be looking at is AUD Swiss franc. So let's check the weekly candle. Okay, the weekly candle shows that it's bullish. It's bullish, so we may still see this level get tested again. If at all we're going to see the reversal, so we're still expecting this level to get tested. So during this coming week, we expect AUD Swiss franc to either break up or return from this level. So your first target on AUD Swiss franc is 0.7251. But if this level get broken, we are expecting to move to higher level, which is 0.7360. So, but the first target this week is 0.7251. So you want to look for buy on AUD Swiss franc and take your first profit before 0.7251. And if this level get broken, we are targeting 0.7360. So AUD Swiss franc, look for a buy. The next pair I'll be looking at is AUD JPY. The weekly candle is so strong, it's so close bullish. So this is an indication that this level has the higher possibility of getting broken this coming week. So if this level get broken, our next target is 89.13. So if this level get broken, our next target is 89.13 to the upside. So AUD JPY, look for a buy. Look for a buy. So wait for the retracement and look for a buy. Look for a buy and take your first profit before 84.67. So, and as this level get broken, you target the higher level. So AUD JPY, look for a buy. AUD JPY, buy. The next pair I'll be looking at is AUD CAD. AUD CAD closed strongly last week with a strong bearish candle. So this is a very good indication, a strong indication that market is most likely to push down to 0.9474. And the daily candle also closed with a strong bearish candle. All right, so we're expecting this level to get broken and move down some more this coming week. So AUD JPY, look for a sell. AUD JPY, sorry, AUD card rather, I beg your pardon. AUD card, look for a sell. So wait for that retracement to this level, then look for a sell. AUD card, look for a sell. AUD card, sell. The next one I'll be talking about is AUD NZD. Okay, AUD NZD closed with a strong bullish candle last week, and the daily candle also closed with a strong bullish candle. So this is an indication that this level 1.0839 may get broken this coming week. So if that level get broken, our next target is 1.1040. Our next target, if this lower level get broken, our next target is 1.1040. So prior to that, our first target is going to be 1.0839. So we want to look for a buy. AUD, NZD, wait for retracement, look for a buy, and take your first profit before 1.0839. AUD, NZD, look for a buy. AUD, NZD, buy. Card Swiss franc. The week closed with a massive, strong, bullish candle, and is currently sitting at a resistance. All right, the pair is currently, AUD card is currently sitting at a resistance, but due to the momentum of the candle, we may expect this to break this level. Once market opens on Sunday night, we may expect this to break this level. So if this level get broken, if 0.7344 get broken, our next target is 0.7616. All right, which is something we are looking forward to. So AUD card Swiss franc, we'll wait for that retracement to the downside. Card Swiss franc, wait for the retracement and take a buy. Card Swiss franc, buy. Once you take a buy, take your first profit before 0.7456. Card Swiss franc, take a buy. And if the continuation happens in between, continuation through the stochastic, so you take your buy entry. So card Swiss franc, buy. Swiss franc JPY, the week closed with an engulfing candle, but this is not a perfect engulfing candle. So, but there is momentum right there in the candle. So we may expect this to continue pushing up. All right, this to the pattern we can see right now. We may expect this to continue pushing up some more, probably. Okay, so Swiss franc JPY is still good for a buy. Swiss franc JPY, look for a buy. Wait for the retracement. Take your buy entry and take your first profit before 117.74. Swiss franc JPY, look for a buy. Swiss franc JPY, look for a buy. Card JPY, this is still expected to keep going to 89.03. Card JPY is expected to keep rising. Okay, so card JPY, look for a buy, wait for the retracement. That is the proper entry. Take your buy trade. Card JPY, look for a buy. Card JPY, look for a buy. Euro AUD. Euro AUD is a pair we need to be careful with. Okay, as we can see, Euro may start changing direction due to the candle that formed 2 or 3 weeks ago. So we may see this pushing up, but this is still sell bias. It is still sell bias. So Euro AUD is still good for a sell, and take your profit, take your first profit before 1.5354. Euro AUD, the cross to the upside has already happened. So when it crosses down, when the black moving average crosses down, take your sell entry and exit the trade before 1.54, 1.5354. And if that level get broken, then we'll be targeting the next move, which is this level. All right. So Euro AUD, look for a sell, but be careful with this pair, right? Euro JPY, this is buy bias. Okay, we can see a strong momentum to the upside. Several levels has been broken, so we expect this to keep going up to 133.18. Euro JPY, we expect it to keep going up, so look for a buy. So wait for the retracement, then catch your buy entry to the upside. Euro JPY, look for a buy. Euro JPY, look for a buy. Euro card. All the cards has been very, very strong across all pairs, guys. So this coming week, we want to make use, want to seize that opportunity to make some money. Okay, so Euro card closed last week with a strong bearish candle, and we have seen a significant level get broken around here. All right, so this may drop down to 1.4755 this coming week, which is about which is between 61.8 level and 78.6. Nevertheless, we are waiting to see what price is going to do, as market is currently sitting at 61.8 on Euro card. Okay, so but the momentum is proving to keep pushing down a little bit more, probably to this level. So this may push down to, it may push down to 78.6 before the reversal happens. Okay, Euro card may push down to 78.6 fib level, but we'll wait and see. But overall, this is still sell bias. So our next target on Euro card is 1.4755. So Euro card, we are looking for a sell. We are looking for a sell. So wait for the pullback on Euro card, then look for a sell. Euro card sell. Euro card sell. Euro Swiss franc. Euro Swiss franc. Last week, this pair has touched a significant resistance at 1.1151. It has touched it last week, so this is still expected to visit the same place again. All right, it's expected to visit the same area, and if this area get broken, we'll be targeting the higher level, which is 1.1265. All right, if this level get this 1.1151 get broken this coming week, so we'll be targeting the next resistance. Euro Swiss franc, look for a buy. Euro Swiss franc, look for a buy. So the pullback, let it happen. Wait for the pullback to happen. Then take your buy entry. Euro Swiss franc, look for a buy. Euro Swiss franc, look for a buy. GBP JPY, The pair closed with strong momentum to the upside this past week, so we still expect this to keep going up, but there is an indecision candle that closed on Friday, but the weekly candle is an indication that this may keep going up, guys. So GBP we expect this to pull up to 153.84. GBP we still expect it to rise a little bit more this week if ever we are going to see a pull down. So we still expect it to rise up a little bit more. So GJ is still buy bias. Let it retrace a little bit, then take your buy entry. GJ, look for a buy. GJ, look for a buy and take your profit before 153.84, or you close your trade whenever you're okay with your profits in between. So GJ, look for a buy. GBP look for a buy. G-Chef, we still expect this to go up a little bit more, so 1.3181. G-Chef is expected to rise a little bit more this coming week, so it is still good. It's good for a buy. G-Chef is good for a buy. So once market opens and you can see the proper cross to the upside, look for a buy. All right, and take your profits along the way. All right, so G-Chef buy, G-Chef buy, G-Card, G-Card is already sitting at a support. It's already sitting at a support, but there is momentum to the downside. But right now we may see, once market opens, we may see this drop down to break the level and drop down to 1.7194. Okay, just to touch the 120 moving average on weekly time frame before it thinks of the pair think of reversing. Okay, so G-Card, look for a sell. G-Card, look for a sell. So wait for that pullback. G-Card, wait for the pullback and take your sell entry. G-Card sell. G-Card sell and take your profit before 1.73335. And if the level get broken, you wait for the retracement and look for another sell entry. G-Card sell. G-Card sell. NU rather. NU. There is an indecision candle that closed last week. Okay, this may cause the pair to reverse, but we still expect this to come down due to the candlestick pattern that formed last Friday. So we may still expect this to come to this level, all right, or probably break it, as because NZD is currently weak, so we may see it break this level and come down to 0.70112, right? NZD we expect this to drop some more. So once market opens, take your sell entry. Okay, look for the candlestick pattern to the downside or enter through the stochastic. So and take your profit before 0.7101. NZD sell. NZD sell. NZD card, this is very much expected to keep pushing down. NZD card. So I expect this to come and touch the 120 moving average at 0.8828. Okay, because there is good momentum to the downside. So our next target is for NZD card to drop down to 0.8843. So NZD card, look for a sell. So wait for the retracement to the upside. Wait for the retracement, then look for a sell. NZD card sell. NZD card sell. NZD card sell. USD JPY. USD. So we expect this to it is here to touch the resistance level. USD is here to touch 109.63. But the momentum that is currently holding on this pair, we may see this level get broken. One price get to this level. Okay, if 109.63 get broken, so we expect it to keep rising to 111.63, which is going to be a long journey for us. So USD is good for a buy. So wait for the retracement, then take your buy entry. USD look for a buy. Look for a buy and take your profit before 109.63. USD buy. USD buy. USD Swiss franc. We've already seen an indecision candle, but this is right not at a resistance level. It's not at a very good resistance level. So we may see this in the next during this coming week. We may see it push up to 0.9456 to touch the 120 moving average on weekly. All right, because the candle that closed last week, we had a push down, but that was not a perfect sell entry candle to the downside. It's not a perfect pin back candle. So, and the daily is telling us that we may see this going up to the downside. As we can see a flag forming already. So we expect this to keep rising. We expect USD Swiss franc to keep rising. So once market opens, once you see the cross to the upside, take your buy entry and take your first profit before 0.9373. Take your first profit before 0.9373, and if the level get broken, we are going to target 0.9454. All right. So USD Swiss franc buy. USD Swiss franc buy. UCAD is currently at a support, but we have seen a support. Right, there is a very strong candle to the downside, which is an indication that this support may get broken. Okay, which may get broken once market opens. So once this level get broken, our next target is going to be 1.2287 to the downside. So USD card is good for a sell. USD card is good for a sell. You wait for the pullback. Then sell. USD card sell. USD card sell. The next pair I'm going to talk about is gold. Gold, guys, gold is currently sitting at a major support, okay, which is this level. All right, so we may see this retraced. We may see it retrace to the upside, to somewhere here before we see another drop. So gold is already pushing up, so we expect it to push up probably to this 120 moving average or something lower. But as usual, if you do not have a large account, you don't want to trade gold, but I advise you to trade it. You may trade gold on 15 minutes, okay, and use 1 hour as your time frame. So if you have to use 1 hour as your time frame, wait for the pullback to happen. All right, wait for the pullback to happen, then take your buy entry on gold. Take your buy entry and take your profit before 1738.72. All right, so gold, look for a buy entry on 15 minutes, 1 hour as our future time frame. So guys, that is what I have for you guys. So let's quickly do a recap on the pairs to look out for. AUD Swiss franc, look for a buy. AUD JPY, look for a buy. AUD CAD, look for a sell. AUD NZD, look for a buy. CAD Swiss franc, buy. CAD Swiss franc, buy. Swiss franc JPY, buy. CAD JPY, buy. Euro AUD, sell. Euro JPY, buy. Euro CAD, sell. Euro Swiss franc, buy. Euro Swiss franc, buy. GBP JPY, buy. G-Chef, buy. G-Card, sell. NZD USD, sell. NZD card, look for a sell. USD JPY, buy. USD Swiss franc, buy. USD card, sell. And gold, look for a buy. So guys, that is what I have for you this week. So the the weak pairs that we have this week is that Swiss franc, we expect it to be weak this coming week. JPY, we expect it to be weak this coming week. NZD, we expect it to be weak this coming week. And our strong pair that we are looking out for is JPY CAD, Canadian dollars. We expect it to go strong this coming week. And we also expect GBP to be strong, all right? But that is going to be, it is not so strong, but we expect it to go strong this coming week. Okay, and we also expect Euro as well, because there's still a fight between Euro and GBP, so there's no clear direction between those two pairs, as those two pairs determine which direction each of them is going to go. So we expect Euro and GBP to also go strong this coming week, all right? But the number one strong pair you want to focus on is CAD, okay? All right, so guys, that is what I have for you this week. And this analysis is between March 15th and March 19th, 2021, all right? So thank you so much for having me today, guys. In exchange for the benefit you are getting from this analysis, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to receive notification, and do us the favor to share this with your family and friends free of charge. Share it on your group, share it on your timeline, share it on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook, anywhere. Share it, share, and let people also come and enjoy this. So once again, this is the King Forex Trading Mastery. So I'll see you guys during the middle of the week. So happy trading and God bless.